Hey, how's it going? So I went to Frank & Sons this weekend looking for triple threads baseball 2011. Couldn't find any. Came across these two pretty nicely priced Prime Cuts boxes, about the price of one triple threads box currently. So I thought I'd grab them both. They're the last two there, so check them out. All right, I'm gonna open them up. This will probably be my last ditch effort on Panini Playoff Prime Cuts 2011 baseball. Bought a few boxes before, nothing too crazy. So hopefully get something cool. Gosh darn it. Alright. Checklist. Boxes in here. Alright, wish me luck. Hoping for some cool Hall of Famer stuff. Alright, so we got Derek Jeter base on the front. I forget if that means good or bad. That looks like prospects. Alright, so zoom in a little bit. Jeter base, and that. Felix Hernandez jersey. The Jeter is numbered 69 of 99. Felix Hernandez. Behind that we got A-Rod bat. Looks like a Yankees box so far. 188 of 199 for the Felix Hernandez. Behind that, got, see, a prospect, Tyler Goddell. Behind that, Corey Spangenberg, and Tyler Goddell. Oops, that's a lot of focus there. 299, 249, 299. And the last one, Adam Conley, the Corey Spangenberg, 34 of 249. And the Conley is number 1 of 99. And that's a prospect. Interesting first box. All the Yankees. Let's go to box number 2. This box is actually not broken down inside. Alright, see what we got here. Another base, Felix Hernandez. Got some prospect cards. I'm going to go ahead and bring those front. Let's see what these are first. First one is Trevor Story. Next one is Blake Sweetheart. The Story is 283 of 299. Blake Sweetheart. Cameron Gallagher. Sweetheart's 169 of 249. And I think we got the Felix there. Felix Hernandez base. Here's the next one. Cliff Lee materials. The Felix Hernandez is 36 of 99. Final card. Wade Boggs. No auto, just a bat. Not bad. Could have done better, but not horrible boxes, I guess. Cool. Thanks for watching.